Post-cable camera inspection at 401 11th Avenue East. We are in the side sewer. This is as far as I can get this camera. We're in cast iron pipe. This is 4 inches here. This is a multi-unit building. This is 4-inch pipe. We're going to pull back into 3-inch pipe all the way up to the toilet flange, and I will notate all the problem areas as we go. Notice the rust building up throughout on the left side, the right side, the top. This is in the 3-inch pipe. That's very rough rust right there. It's real hard to pull this camera out due to the size of the pipe and the rust and the turns. It's getting a little easier now. You can see the water flowing on the bottom. Just leftover water sitting in there. Alright, so right here you have that standing water. We're in a belly right now. I'm not sure if this is even outside in the ground. We're at 23 feet from the flange on the second story coming out the back. So we could be right at the ground. So every time something flushes, it comes in here and the waste stays here and the water leaves it behind over time. As you can see how rough the sides are, that's where they'll grab the toilet paper and the fecal matter, and the water just continues to go, and then you get a buildup. It's called a soft blockage. You can see the top, this 3-inch pipe with that rust. You're talking about maybe 2.5 inches with how much rust that has right there on the top, which is right above the belly. So it's a perfect storm. You have a belly combined with a pinched pipe. Basically, it's a pinch point. As we pull back, another turn. Very rough backside of the turn and more standing water. So we have 2 bellies, smaller one that time, but that's right after a turn. So the water bounces off that turn, hits the belly, sits there for a while, waits for the next flush to send it down, and if the next flush never comes, then it just sits there until it dries out. Standing water right outside the flange. So we're at 10 feet, but minus the amount of line I have sticking out, we're about 5 feet out, and you can see we're in another belly. So every flush that goes down, there's some waste left over right there. Every flush that goes down here, as soon as it goes into the horizontal line right outside the toilet flange, it just hits standing water. And that is literally toilet flange. So you have the toilet flange, wipe that off, toilet flange directly into standing water. In a 3-inch pipe. So there's really no chance for the stuff to make it all the way out. I'm going to end the recording there.